Bitcoin's alive, what you gon' do? Mempool fees are high. Ordinal. Where does it stop? Nobody knows. It's a revolution, ayy. Bitcoin is the one, no substitution, ayy. With Shizzy and Yagobi, it's Ordinal Revolution.
Welcome back to Ordinal Revolution. What's up, guys?
Hey guys, we wanted to do another tutorial for you guys. That's one of our kind of sectors that we focus on with our show is education, and tutorials are here to educate you on how to do things with different protocols. And today's tutorial is going to be focused on staking with FluidTokens, right? FluidTokens is amazing. UTXO devs that have experience from Cardano decided to build once they heard that Bitcoin's ecosystem was building out. And so Shizzy's going to walk you guys through on how to stake. He's going to stake an Omen. That is one of the newest staking vaults that were open. So let's get right into it. So first thing you want to do is go to Fluid's website, which is
FluidTokens.com. I'll have it in the show notes for you guys. All you have to do is go down there. You guys can click it. It'll take you to this amazing looking site. And then you want to make sure you go into Bitcoin. Go into Cardano. You're obviously going into Cardano, right? So real simple. And then you'll come in. You'll be on swap. You're going to go to staking. And this is where it all opens up for you guys. This is the amazing staking page. You can see Galactic Goods, Runestone, Billy Cat, Rare Pups, Cash, the Fluid Pass. If you were smart enough to get a Fluid Pass, all you had to do was make one swap when we were telling you, and you got a Fluid Pass. You can stake that. But today we're going to be showing you guys how to stake the Omen. The Omen reward is 5 million dog. It expires January 10th, 2025. The total cap is 10,000 ordinals. That's the entire collection. The cap per wallet, there is none. So you can do, 1,000 if you want to. The rewards, again, 5 million dogs across all the stakers based on the rarity. So the more rare the Omen is, the more dog you will get. So that's another thing you have to pay attention to. But as you can stake it, real simple, real easy, brings you to this next page. You're going to go to select. My Omen's going to come up, and I'm going to back out here. So the Omen's still showing. I'm going to hit stake. It's going to prompt my wallet. My wallet's going to come up. And if I am still signed in, which I think I should be, it should bring it up any second now. There it goes. And then you'll see that it's going to cost me 66 cents. $1.65 and $13.23. All right, so that's going to cost me altogether about $16. I'm going to confirm it and stake. Boom, done, success. So that's awesome. It, guys. That's really how easy it is to stake your Omen or anything else. It's all the same.
Yeah, and the reason why that FluidTokens uses Exorc right now, and they're going to onboard Unisat once they can figure out how to kind of show that the fees you're going to pay and what's being staked and stuff, is because they want you guys to see and be transparent, right? So just now Shizzy broke down what the fee cost was, right? So that was around like 14, maybe $15, right? Yeah. So we did the math real quick, and if you're only going to stake one Omen, you'll probably earn, I think, roughly around $10, right? So you're actually losing a little bit on this with the fee. So for me, like with the Billy Cats, I staked 10 because that made the most sense for me. So do the math in your head, guys. If it doesn't make sense math wise, then don't stake. We're not telling you to lose money here. We're saying make money. So do as many as it takes. So that's what's you got to take advantage of the benefits of having staking on layer one. And for example, the Billy Cats, we made out like a bandit because Billy also went up, right? So dog will go up too, but calculate what it is at that moment and make the best decision. So this is purely an educational tutorial, but we want you guys to be smart as well and take advantage of where an opportunity lies and when it lies to take advantage of it. So
yeah, and you can stake up to 10 at a time. So obviously it'll be cheaper to do all 10. If you do 9, it's still cheaper to do 10. So it's up to you though. It depending on how many you want to stake. Right now, I wouldn't really stake anywhere less than 3. I did it just to kind of show you guys. I'm not really huge on the Omen, so I don't really have too many. But if you are big on it, and you're holding 7, 8 of them, it might be worth it. But again, to Yagobi's point, do the math, make grown-up decisions. But this is all non-custodian. I think that's the biggest thing. You're not giving your Omens or whatever Billy Cats and stuff to Raul. You're actually locking it using Bitcoin's opcodes. The block locking technology is in Bitcoin. It's been there since the beginning, right? It's nothing new. It's always been there. Raul is actually just using it to do the staking, which is phenomenal.
Yeah, and to Shizzy's point, I think like for me, someone that has the experience and he does as well in DeFi, like we would never stake just one item, you know. But if there is those opportunities, there might be rare opportunities where one item you can earn more than what it costs. Yeah, that could make sense. So the exciting thing is TVL now is on Bitcoin Layer 1, and there's going to be multiple opportunities too, where this could actually come into really good use case is for people that are launching, minting, you know, collections and stuff to where you can utilize the funds and stuff to really pay back your mint costs and stuff like that. So anyways, we appreciate you guys paying attention. And also, if you do have a moment, please check out our partners. BetBTC is a predictions market in the Bitcoin ecosystem, a brand new project. We're really bullish on them using ICP technology and Bitcoin as well. BitPerp is a perpetual leverage DEX, going to be launching on all Bitcoin layer 2s, or most at least, and you're going to be able to, you know, leverage runes. Ordinal Hive, an aggregator marketplace for ordinals on layer 1 and soon to be layer 2, because they're adding the aggregation as well on layer 2, but you're going to be able to find the cheapest prices there. Foxy, building on tap, but also utilizing BRC 420s in their games with Clan Wars and Bitverse and Bitminers. We just did a tutorial on that. So excited about those guys. And then FluidTokens, we just talked about them. You know, they're innovating on Bitcoin Layer 1 with staking. This is just one of the first things that they're doing. They've also done rune swaps. They're an aggregator for rune swaps. So if you want to swap runes, they'll split them up for you. Check them out. And then lastly, but not least, Merlin Chain, guys. It is the #1 scaling solution for Bitcoin native layer 1 assets and protocols. So if you're trying to build and you want to scale, reach out to Merlin Chain's team. They have great grants for builders who are serious. And if you're a user, you want to trade runes in a more, you know, fast paced, like Uniswap type environment, go use Merlin Swap over there on Merlin Chain. We appreciate all you guys checking out our partners.
Yeah, 100%. And real quick, I did want to say one more thing. Yeah, if you did do 10, it's still the $13. If you did 9, it's still at $13. If you did 6, it's still at $13. Did 1, still $13. So I just want to stress that just in case there's any questions in the comments. But guys, check out our website as well, ordinalrevolution.com. We have some of the best articles dating all the way back to last year. If you know someone just entering the space, send them our website. Really feel like it can help them. Also, we have discounts for Bitcoin Las Vegas, and then we also have discounts for NordVPN there as well. So go check that out. On top of, if you're looking for merch, we have some of the best merch in all of Ordinals. Check everything out at ordinalrevolution.com. And guys, we're live Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. Eastern, 10 a.m. Central, 8 a.m. Pacific, and 3 p.m. UTC. Check us out all week. And until tomorrow,
Peace.
Ordinal Revolution. Let's go.